Helios Systems introduces ICOHAB, the latest LHM, Luna Habitation Module, to offer Regolith Printing System support. ICOHAB is a frontier exploration habitat. However, as a semi-RSS structure, SRS, it offers maximum subterranean shielding, as well as enclosed surface observation access. The ICOHAB is compatible with optional sunshade and synthesized systems, and foliage-based atmosphere regeneration management, better known as FARM. RPS facilitates minimal resource transport, and is a zero-footprint installation, ZPI, making it compliant with LSA regulations. ICOHAB is equipped with the latest generation of inflatable pressure vessels, IPVs, and is incorporated into the RPS for rapid deployment. Optional variable micro-louver IPVs, for near-site operations, exclude more than 99% of EMR, at angles over 32 degrees. The low albedo surface gives the VML-enabled IPV a 5-star light pollution mitigation rating from the LCC. We invite you to view an augmented reality experience inside ICOHAB by following this link. We thank you for your time. Our service representatives will be happy to answer any questions you may have, as well as provide a live tour of any of Helios Systems LHMs.